Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset password in Oanda on PC. If you're trading forex, commodities or indices online, Oanda is a well-known global trading platform that allows users to access financial markets through its web and desktop platform. If you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for the security reason, resetting your Oanda password on PC is quick and easy. So here's a full step-by-step guide. First, open any of the browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down oanda.com and enter it, and once you're on the login page, look below the password field, or you need to select for this login here. Here you are required to either type down your email or the password, and you have forgotten your password to click on this forgot password here, and here you need to type down your email address to reset your password. Simply type down your email address, select reset password, and you need to check your email for the password reset instruction. Go to your email and simply check your email inbox. Oanda will send you a password reset link, and open the link and click to the reset link, and it will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password, enter your new password, confirm it, and make sure it meets Oanda's security requirements. And once completed, you can go back to the login page and sign in using your new password. And that is it. This is how you can reset your password in Oanda on PC. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.